In this video, I'm excited to share my unboxing of a diamond painting kit from Victoria's Moon. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today's video is sponsored by Victoria's Moon. This company has tons and tons and tons of diamond painting kits. So if you like diamond painting, this is the company for you. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing of one of their kits. Let's get to it. Okay, getting my scissors out, and I am so excited to do this unboxing. All right. Just going to go ahead and continue to cut off the paper. Wow. All right, let's get into the outer box. Look at how beautiful this is on the outer box. There is the name DIY 5D diamond painting that is listed over here on the side. There are 4 pictures here of just the process of what you're doing when you're doing diamond painting. I love the flowers. And of course, butterflies. Anything that deals with butterflies, I like. And definitely, I know my partner in crime, Jasmine, will love this beautiful purple display. Okay, so far so good in regards to the outer packaging. Let me go ahead and get my scissors and cut away the tape so we actually can unbox this. Okay, take it out, slowly take it out, and as I take it out, everything seems to be rolled up into the packaging, into the canvas. Okay, now let's go ahead and unroll this and see what we have here. Okay. All right, so inside there is a paper, and we have a package that looks like has all of the diamond pieces in it. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a further look, and we'll come back to this. Okay, so this kit has all of the different diamond pieces in it, and they separate it in these packaging with the name of the colors on it. And the kit that I chose to get was a sewing machine, the sewing machine diamond kit, because I definitely knew that I would go with my crafting, and then Jasmine, she loves to sew, so I thought it would be a perfect diamond kit to start out with. So for this project, let's see how many different bags we have. So it's a total of 35 different bags that comes with the sewing machine selection of this diamond kit. So on this paper, it also lists the different diamonds that were included with this kit. So this paper coincides with the actual diamond pieces. Now let's see what else is included. All right. So we have our diamond, the tool that is used for inserting the diamonds onto the canvas. It's a pretty pink color. I'm just going to go ahead and put that back. All right. Open up this one. All right, so we have more tools that they included. I'm going to put that right there. Tweezers. I'm just going to put the little safety back onto the tweezers. And then we have a tray that they include. All right, so let's look at the canvas. Quality of the canvas that is included. All right, I'm going to flip it over. Okay, you have your DIY at the bottom. I'm sure that's the number that coincides to what I selected. And then on the side, it has all of the color of the diamonds that is included with this kit, as well as a picture. Now, peeling this back, and I'm going to peel just a little bit back. All right. Reveals the actual design. And the design that is revealed coincides with the symbols that is on this paper, as well as on your canvas. So this was very smart that they did, Victoria's Moon, so that they included the paper, but if you lose the paper, it's definitely still on the canvas. So each symbol, each one of these different diamond pieces has a symbol, and that symbol is listed on, already printed on the canvas, and the canvas is sticky. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and take each diamond piece that coincides with each symbol, and you're actually going to stick it onto the canvas. This, as an initial looking at this, I love what I see so far. I can't wait to begin to actually do this project. I will definitely come back with a video that shows me doing this project, doing some of this project, and then I'll come back with a final review of me completing the project. So definitely over the course of time, I will be working on this project, and will do my best to get to you out within the next couple of days. Just a video of me actually using the tools and actually beginning this project. And then we'll follow up with a final video that will showcase the final completed project, and then my thoughts about how I thought this went. But so far, as my initial unboxing, I like what I see so far. I definitely love the box that it came in. It definitely, I mean, straight and simple to the point. Beautiful, this beautiful color on the outside. The purple is beautiful, so I definitely love that. And I felt like the packaging of the diamonds, they did a very good job to make sure that it was packaged well, and that they were able to list the color number, as well as making sure that the number that coincides to the symbols was done well. Also, for my initial review, just to see that the symbols was listed, and that they were able to list these symbols included in a piece of paper, so that you can have this, as well as being able to put it on the canvas as well. So I think that's a very smart of them to be able to do that. The tools that was included with this kit, I think it's definitely good, because if you're just starting out this kit and you don't already have the tools needed, they've included everything that is needed to begin doing this project. So this is definitely so far as my initial review, I love what I see, and I can't wait to begin to start this project. I definitely give it a thumbs up with in regards to just packaging, and also with the time that it took to get to come to me. It was delivered within a week. So just even from the website of going on to choosing what I wanted to checking out, and yes, the time frame took about a week. So what do you think? If you like what I've shown you with this diamond painting kit, then definitely click on my description. There's a link to Victoria's Moon website. Not only did I list the link, but we have a discount code. So you can save 10% off if you purchase using my discount code. So definitely click on the link, go to Victoria's Moon, and see all of the beautiful options that you can choose for diamond painting. If you do decide to purchase a kit, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know which kit you selected, which size you chose. Did you do the round or the square? Let me know which diamond you chose, what kit you chose, the size, and all of that. And we can join in the diamond painting fun together. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.